two notes next to each other. A C and a C sharp together. And some people may sit there and say, oh, that sounds awful. It's just the way you look at it. Now, if we take that C and we raise it an octave, now we really do have something beautiful. Hey everybody, Chris G here from PositivelyProgressing.com, coming at you with a different angle and a different message today. So let me preface this with letting you know this is not an original idea, but this is from a book called The Music Lesson by Victor Wooten, the great bass player. And what he writes in that book makes me really think about what we go through every day as human beings, just emotional feelings and everything, every other situation, from happiness to sadness to enlightenment and grief, and also the struggles we go through as musicians that maybe only musicians can understand. So what I played there in the beginning was a C and a C sharp together. And some people may sit there and say, oh, that sounds awful, right? Or some people may say, that sounds beautiful. But it's just the way you look at it. Now, if we take that C and we raise it an octave, now we really do have something beautiful. So that's a beautiful sound, and all we did was change one note up an octave. And in the book he talks about, just raising something up an octave in any situation in life can really change your perspective. So what this means to me personally when it comes to music is I am where I am right now in music, with my playing, with my gigging, with my YouTube channel, right? And you are where you are with your music. And sometimes we really get down on ourselves. We are our own worst critic at most of the time. But if we can look at that situation differently, we can really make a positive effect on our well-being, on our musicianship, on our general mood about our own playing and others around us. And this can be really good for you, for your mind, for your soul, and can really make a difference. So I guess this week is a life lesson maybe, and it's a life lesson for myself, because I'm kind of just putting myself out there and telling people what I think can help them in their struggles with music or with life or with anything in general. Just trying to keep the positive vibes always flowing and always trying to help in any way I can, because this is something I've been dealing with. And so I thought I'd make a video on it. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give me any feedback you have, if you don't mind. And stay positive, stay progressing. We are all here for each other, and we will all make a difference. Just remember, if you get yourself stuck in a situation that seems like it's negative, change octaves. Until next time, take care.